Hey guys, quick question. Have you picked up this amazing product yet? If not, the time to act is now. It is a really splendid both thumbs up. If I had 5 hands, I would put 5 thumbs up. Okay. From drum rolls, automated commission system by Mr. Ben Fletcher. Okay guys, this launch is almost coming to an end, so we have 1 day left and 12 hours, something like that. Okay, before the price actually jumps up. Ben said, he confirmed that he would be taking the price up to $17 and then possibly even more from Monday. So today is Saturday, so we have Sunday all day, and then from Monday the price will be jumping up to $17 from $9.95, so just under $10. Now, in case you have not watched my review on this product, I would send you to my full review of automated commission system. I'll put the link to this review. Okay, this is obviously not a review. It's sort of like a fun video to give you a heads up of what you do not want to miss out on. Okay. I have received amazing feedback from my buyers so far. I'll probably pop it on the screen. What one of my buyers, okay, said about it. Super happy that this product is really helping him and, filling up the gaps in his knowledge as to do with affiliate marketing. Because what this product ultimately comes down to is how to promote one good product, and which one Ben will show you, how to filter like potentially a successful affiliate offer to promote, and then how to set up the automation, okay, with your autoresponder. And he gives you email swipes, very good, to the point, very well written email swipes, and so much more in this training course. Okay, as you can see in my review, I did show, okay, I did open up like every single of these modules, because if I was to click on this one, the main training, there's a series of videos and more videos and more videos, so it's really in-depth. Okay, and there's some amazing training on free traffic, paid traffic, guys. The bonuses are super cool as well. Affiliate mindset, Ben really says it as it is, when it comes to having the right mindset before you can even start dreaming about making money online. You need to be prepared for the marathon, and your eye has to be on the prize. And just stick to it. Perseverance is probably the key. Okay, and you've got the email here, like the ad swipes and all of that. So let me see. Yeah, we have just over 1 day left before the price goes up. Let me repeat that again. I obviously have some cool bonuses for those who decide to pick up this product via the link below my review. And I also added some extra bonuses just in case you decide for the upsells, because the whole funnel is quite amazing. There are not many upsells, but just a few. There is a very good, very well converting bump offer on the front end for $17. The front end is at the moment still $9.95, and there would be a few upsells. Amazing underground this traffic training, traffic systems. And just in case you wanted resale rights to Ben's products, you can pick up this other upsell as well. So I added some extra bonuses, some WordPress plugins. Okay, if you pick up any of the upsells. And just to show you how well, I know it says 500 plus, but it's really approaching 1,000 sales, probably just beyond 800 sales have been made bandmates, like, yeah, close to 1,000 sales already. I'm sure this last day is going, like Sunday, is going to be crazy in terms of sales as well. You see, 5 stars, guys, very good feedback. So yeah, I'm sort of like reassuring you as well that this is a quality product. And if you have been thinking, shall I buy it, shall I not buy it? Yes, no, well, you know, you may as well, while the price is at its lowest. And you will not regret, because it is a fantastic training course, and somewhere along the line you will need this knowledge, okay? If you're into affiliate marketing, if you want to make affiliate commissions, it's not about product creation, it's about how to do affiliate marketing. So how to sell other people products, how to pick the right ones, the highly converting ones, how to set up the campaign and how to set the email campaigns, how to get the leads to begin with, right? The subscribers and all of that. So cool. All right, so check it out, guys. Check out both my review and then check out the sales page in the description box below this video. Okay, ciao guys, love you and leave you, and see you probably Monday. Okay, bye.